Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with a tight script and the right tools. Write a 90 to 120-second script, marking pauses and emphasis so the voice sounds natural. Once done, pick a TTS engine that fits your budget, cloud services for ease, local models for privacy and speed. Make sure visuals are ready. 16:9 footage, images at 1280 by 720, and a subtitles file. This moves you from planning into production quickly. Do not overcomplicate the setup. Begin generating your first voice clip now. Next, generate your voice and sync it to visuals. Choose a voice profile, gender, age, tone, and set speaking rate to match pacing. Render test clips at full quality, 48K HZ WAV or 320 kbps MP3, and normalize to -1 to -3 dB so peaks don't clip. Then import into your editor, trim video to speech, and add small breath gaps of 0.2 to 0.5 seconds for realism. Make sure transitions line up. If timing feels off, slow the speech fractionally and re-export. To finish, mix and export with attention to balance. Lower background music to -10 to -16 dB behind the voice and apply gentle compression to glue the track. Export as H.264 MP4 at 1080p, 16:9 with an 8 to 12 Mbps bitrate. Include SRT captions for accessibility. If problems occur, try this tip. If audio sounds low quality, raise the sample rate and re-render. If the voice is unnatural, adjust prosody, add pauses and change.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.